High school football is back in Northeast Wisconsin with season openers across the area tonight. But this is the first year for a new state concussion law. Players, parents, and coaches have to acknowledge they understand the prevention, symptoms, and treatment of a concussion. NBC 26's Jonathan Gregg is live in the newsroom with the story.
Wisconsin Act 172 deals with concussion education and treatment. 30 other states have passed similar laws. Students, parents, and players have to sign a form that says they know the ins and outs of head injuries, and they have to do that before the student can practice, let alone play on Friday nights.
That is a big running back rumbling down the sidelines there.
One stipulation of the law is an athlete showing symptoms of a head injury
I am looking for the big hit.
Must be cleared by a licensed medical professional before going back in the game.
I am looking for the player that's not responding the way they should be.
Roland Schmidt is one of those professionals, a licensed athletic trainer. He's been working high school games for more than a decade.
If they're reporting any symptoms of a concussion, then we do a hold them out from that game. They don't return to participation at all that day.
You always want to go in opening night by winning your first game.
Athletic Director Dave Stevepak says the attention to head injuries is well received at Ashwaubenon High.
But the bottom line is the safety of kids. And what's happened in the NFL has trickled down to the NCAA, that has trickled down to the high school athletics, that has trickled down into the youth activities.
And like in practice, there's repetition in the new law.
So if your son or daughter is a three-sport athlete, they have to sign that 3 times during their high school season. And if they're a club sport athlete in the summer, they'll have to sign it the 4th or 5th time as well.
The law affects all athletes at all levels, from high school on down. Not all high school programs have licensed medical professionals on the sidelines. For those schools, it's much harder for a student to go back into a game if something happens. That's not the case for the Ashwaubenon-Preble game that kicks off at 7 p.m. Reporting live in the Green Bay newsroom, Jonathan Gregg, NBC 26.